In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer schedule a time in Calendly. By the end, you'll have a clean professional booking flow that lets customers pick a time without the back and forth. We'll set up your event template, fine-tune when people can book, and then share your availability in the way that fits your workflow. First, let's configure your event type. Think of an event type as the template for a meeting, like a 30-minute consultation. It controls the name, length, location, and the rules around when it can be booked. Once you're in your Calendly account, click the plus icon labeled Create and choose One-on-One. This is perfect for a single customer meeting, and it's the most straightforward way to collect exactly one booking per time slot. Next, add the basics. Give your event a clear name that customers will recognize at a glance. Set the duration, such as 30 or 60 minutes, based on how long you typically need. Then choose a location. You can select Zoom, Google Meet, or a phone call. Pick the option you use most consistently so customers know exactly where to show up. Consider adding a short description that explains what the meeting covers and what the customer might prepare. Clear expectations reduce no-shows and last-minute confusion. Now set your scheduling rules. Decide how far in advance customers can book so you're not surprised by requests months away. Then set a minimum notice to prevent last-minute bookings that disrupt your day. For example, a few hours of notice ensures you have time to prepare between meetings. These rules keep your calendar sane and your day predictable. With your event ready, it's time to share your booking link. The simplest method is the standard link. From your events page or your dashboard, copy your unique booking link and paste it into an email, a text, or a social message. It's quick and it works everywhere. If you want to make scheduling even easier, use the Offer Time Slots feature to embed clickable times directly inside an email. Choose a few specific dates and times, and Calendly will generate buttons that your customer can click to confirm instantly. This reduces friction and makes it obvious when you're free. For one-off or VIP meetings, create a single-use link. It works once and expires immediately after the customer books, which prevents forwarding and keeps your availability tight. That's it. Your event is configured, your rules are set, and your booking link is ready to share so customers can schedule a time in Calendly with confidence.